Today we are going through a complete beginner-friendly Semrush walkthrough. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, online business, affiliate website, or you simply want more traffic from Google, then Semrush is one of the most useful SEO tools you can learn. The good thing is that you don't need to be an SEO expert to start using Semrush. Even with a free account, there are several powerful features that can help you to understand keywords, analyze website, and improve your content strategy. So in this video, I will focus mainly on the features that beginners can easily access and demonstrate, making it much easier for you to follow along. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get these special offers on SEO and marketing tools, because by using the description link, the discounts that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is creating a Semrush account and logging into the dashboard. It is very simple. You can create your account within a minute just by using description link. When you enter the platform, you will see many tools and reports. At first, they may look overwhelming, but don't worry. As a beginner, you only need to focus on few key sections. Let's start with the keyword overview. This is one of the easiest and most useful tools in Semrush. Simply, you just enter a keyword into this search box. For example, if your website is about, let's say, fitness, you could search for something like home workout or weight loss tips. Now here, Semrush will show you the information such as search volume, keyword difficulty, search intent, and related keywords data. For beginners, the most important thing to understand is search volume and keyword difficulty. Search volume tells you how many people search for a keyword. Keyword difficulty gives you an idea of how competitive that keyword may be. This helps you to find topics that people are searching for without targeting keywords that are extremely difficult to rank for. Next, let's move to the magic tool. Many beginners love this feature because it generates hundreds of keyword ideas from a single keyword. For example, if you enter email marketing, then Semrush can generate many related keyword suggestions. This is a great way to find blog topics, YouTube video ideas, and content opportunities. Even free users can get useful insights from this feature when doing keyword research. Now let's talk about the domain overview. This is probably one of the most interesting tools for beginner. You simply enter any website domain into the search bar. For example, you can enter your own website or even a competitor's website. Let's write our website, which is easyaccess.tech. Then I will click on this search. You can see Semrush will show the estimated traffic, top keywords, backlinks, and overall visibility. This gives you a quick snapshot of how a website performs in search engine. Many content creators use this feature to study competitors and discover new content opportunities. Another useful section is organic search or organic rankings. This tool helps you to see which keywords a website is ranking for. For example, if a competitor gets traffic from Google, you can view some of the keywords that help you to bring visitors to their website. This can provide ideas for your own content strategy. Now let's talk about the backlink analysis. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to a site. Google often treats backlink as trust signals. Using the backlink tools, you can see how many backlinks a website has and where they come from. Even if you are a complete beginner, this section helps you to understand how website authority works. Another beginner-friendly feature is site audit. If you connect your website, Semrush can scan it and identify common SEO issues. For example, it may find broken links, missing titles, slow loading pages, or other technical problems. The platform explains many issues in simple language, making it much easier for beginners to understand what needs to improvement. One thing I recommend is not trying to learn every tool at once. Semrush includes many advanced features for agencies and SEO professionals, but beginners can get excellent results by focusing on keyword overview, keyword magic tool, domain overview, organic search, backlink analysis, and site audit. These few tools alone can help you to understand SEO much better and create smarter content. As you become more comfortable, you can explore additional features such as position tracking, content marketing tools, competitor analysis, and advertising research. The key is taking small steps and learning one feature at a time. Overall, Semrush is one of the most powerful SEO platform available, but beginners do not need to use everything immediately. Even the basic tools can provide valuable insights that help to grow websites, blogs, and online businesses. So that's it basically for today's video. Hope this full walkthrough helped you to understand the most important SEMrush features and how beginners can start using them right away. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link from description for special software offers and discounts. Thank you for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.